Hello students, today we learn about profit and loss and goodwill. So profit and loss you all must be knowing are two opposite terms. Okay, so what is profit and what is loss? Profit is when a revenue that is income is greater than expenses, and loss is when expenses are greater than revenue. So basically, what is revenue? Revenue is the income. From where do I earn my income? From sales. Okay. So when my sales are higher than my expenses, I earn profit, and whenever my sales are lower than my expenses, that is my expenses are higher than my sales, I incur loss. So basically, to calculate profit, there's a formula where you subtract expenses from revenue. So revenue minus expenses, you get profit. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate loss, you can use the same formula, but your answer will come in negative, that is minus. Okay. Or else you can do ulta, expenses minus revenue, you get loss. Okay. So example I give you is sales is 50,000 and your expenses are 40,000. So revenue minus expenses, that is 50,000 minus 40,000 is 10,000, and 10,000, since it's positive, you earn a profit of 10,000. Whereas here in the second case, the sales are 30,000 and your expenses are 40,000. 30,000 minus 40,000 minus 10,000. This bracket means minus in accounts. Okay. So whenever you see round brackets like this, it means minus. So 10,000 is written in minus. Okay. So it is loss. Now, you all may get confused. If you have seen my last video, I had explained solvent and insolvent business. Okay, and here these concepts are similar to solvent and insolvent business, but there is a slight difference in this. When it is profit, your business is solvent in nature, and when your business is in loss, you are insolvent in nature. Your business is insolvent in nature. Okay, so you have profit, that is you have 10,000 extra in your pocket. Okay, so you will be able to pay your dues, whatever you have to pay, whatever you are liable to pay. Okay, so therefore you are solvent in nature. And if you are if you are in loss, that is here you have 10,000 less than expected, so you'll not be able to pay your dues, therefore you are insolvent. Okay, I hope you all understand this, what is profit and what is loss and what is solvent and insolvent. Okay, now let's move on to another concept, that is goodwill. So goodwill means your image, whatever the business has image, so that image will be called as goodwill. Value of a company's reputation and customer loyalty is known as goodwill. So what is company's reputation? Is basically your corporate image, whatever your business has image. Okay, so I think good of a business, it's their goodwill. The business is goodwill. Okay, and if I think bad of the business, it's not a proper image, not a good image. What is customer loyalty? Customer loyalty means I think good of a business. I feel that the business is nice, like it gives good services to us, it gives good after sale service, it sells high quality products and services, and it charges less money as well. So I think good of a business, and therefore I will prefer buying goods from the same business as always. Okay, so whenever I repeat my purchases from the same business, okay, that will be called as customer loyalty. So I am loyal to the business. Okay, so कभी भी कुछ लगेगा ना, I feel like ना I want to buy some product, like for example say Dio. So today I buy Dio. Tomorrow also I want to buy Dio for someone else also. I will prefer that same business as well. I will suggest that same business to others as well. Okay, so that is customer loyalty. Now there are four factors that affect your goodwill. Okay, so your brand reputation. So whatever product you are selling, it's brand, that is called brand, right? So that brand reputation will affect your goodwill. If your product is good in nature, your brand is highly suggested by everyone, then your brand reputation is there, that will affect your goodwill. So if you hear the name as Tata and all, so you will think good, this business is very famous and I should buy from this business. So that is their brand reputation. Okay. Second one is customer loyalty, that is repeated customers. Same I said, I will prefer that same business every time I want to buy any product. Then location. Prime location increases goodwill. What is prime location? Where there are more people uh, uh, going and coming. That location is known as a prime location. So you all may say heart of a city. So heart of a city, in the heart of a city, you all can uh, uh, keep your business there, and you all can conduct your business there, and people will see that you have some business there in the heart of the city, the prime location, so they will buy goods from you only. Okay. Then profitability. High profits enhance goodwill. So if your profits are high, it tells indirectly that your goodwill is very high. So your customers will prefer buying goods from you only. Okay. So brand reputation, whatever goods people buy from you, that should have a value. Customer loyalty, if your customers are purchasing repeatedly from you, then you have nice goodwill, high goodwill. Location, when you have a prime location business, business in a prime location, that will affect your goodwill in positive way. And lastly, profitability. If you have high profits, you have high corporate image, high goodwill. Okay. Example I will give you is there are two bakeries, bakery A, bakery B. So bakery A has high goodwill. Therefore, whenever they sell cakes, they can sell at higher prices. Okay. And bakery B is newly established, so people will not prefer buying cakes from that business, at least for now. Okay. Now, why bakery A can sell their products at high prices? Because people know that this bakery can sell high quality cakes, like their cakes are fresh in nature. So, whatever, like I can buy whatever I want from them at higher prices as well. Okay, we are doubtful of the bakery B because it's newly established, so we are not sure like how good they can sell their cakes. Okay, like their taste, their cakes are fresh or no, we don't know. So we never prefer those newly established bakeries. Okay, so we'll prefer the high goodwill one bakery, that is bakery A. Okay, so I hope you all have understood these concepts, and thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.